All right, buckle up. We're diving into a body cam footage that starts as a routine scene but escalates in seconds. Here, a pedestrian and a driver are about to collide in a busy crosswalk, and the tension is immediate. Notice how the officer is setting up, trying to figure out exactly what happened while chaos unfolds around them. Already, you can see the split-second decisions that will determine fault, safety, and potential injuries. Stick around, we've got video, first-hand account, and a surprising twist and responsibility that you won't want to miss.
I don't know. Okay, what happened?
I was coming, there was an old man.
Okay.
And so the lady didn't give him a chance, so I was telling him, go ahead, I told him, right? And he see this gentleman crossing, and I was telling the old man in front of me, go. So I looked this way, this gentleman stepped in front of my car, I didn't see him, I'm
So you're the
sorry.
driver?
But I was going 2 miles an hour.
Okay.
Oh, the police told me not to move it. And you're in the middle of traffic. You can move your vehicle.
Anybody see him?
Was
Was he just crossing?
He was crossing, he had the right of way.
Yeah.
I turned around and all I saw was his hand on the headlight of the car. So I did not see anything. I had been up at the front doors.
like I hit him real hard. I went 2 miles, not been 2 miles an hour. We were like in dead stop traffic. They were telling the old man go. So I looked away. They go, oh, you should have been paying attention. I was. I just was telling the old man.
Now, pay close attention. The pedestrian says they were crossing with groceries in hand and suddenly finds themselves on the hood of a car. This is a textbook example of situational awareness and distraction in action. Officers here are listening carefully, gathering witness statements and checking for injuries. Notice the subtle cues, like the victim explaining the seconds it took for the car to hit them, that help the officer determine speed, intent, and attention. Audience question: do you think the driver could have avoided this if they were paying closer attention? These moments show why officers need to parse every word to understand the incident fully.
You weren't looking. I was. The old man was crossing in front of me, so I was saying, go ahead. I was giving him a chance. So I'm sorry that at that moment I didn't see him step in front of my car. You know, I stood on purpose because I wasn't paying attention.
The people crossing in here, they have the right of way.
I know, I'm sorry. I know pedestrians have the right of way. I know that.
Alright, man. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I didn't mean to.
Okay.
I was just hoping the old man.
I understand.
Make sure you get the fire department's phone number.
I was going 2 miles an hour, but we want the cops. I called 911. I jumped out of the car. I'm sorry.
Are you on top of this?
When you consider it a lawyer, if you request it, we will get it to you.
Hello, sir.
Scary.
I'm sure.
What you want me to go over?
If
I want to put my hand on the hood.
once you're done with this, I want you to tell me everything. Okay?
I was scared for this thing. I just had a legal plate for the name on this.
I see that. So you ended up getting hit on this side.
Cross my chin and just.
Okay.
That's the address number, okay?
Okay. That was scary.
Here's where things get really interesting. Body cam and surveillance video confirm what actually happened. Officers compare statements with footage to figure out how close the pedestrian was to the moving vehicle. This is crucial because it highlights a key law enforcement principle: evidence trumps assumptions. Notice how they identify the last-second movement, explaining why the driver could not have avoided contact. This is a perfect teaching moment. It shows how even small timing differences matter in determining fault. Think about it. How would your perception differ if you only had the witness account without video?
That was scary.
Again, the police will request the video.
Okay.
And then your lawyer can get it from them.
Thank you.
Alright, sir. Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah. I was walking out, carrying my bag of groceries.
Okay.
And it was.
You were on the scooter, obviously.
No, I was walking.
You were walking.
Yeah, she brought me to school so I could sit down after the accident.
Okay.
I was walking, I had the right of way, and there was cars here lined up there was people crossing. And as I went in front of her car. She went forward. She wasn't paying what she's telling me. She wasn't paying no attention at all. She was looking the other way. I don't know what she was looking at. And when she went forward, she hit me there sideways. And when she went forward, I said stop, and I put my hand on the hood.
Okay.
And when I put my hand on the hood, I'm looking at her and say stop. And she like, she went forward with me. I almost felt, but she went, I would say about, it happened within seconds. I think maybe about 10 seconds.
10 seconds
Yeah.
for her to stop?
Yeah, because she was going forward, and I put my hand on the hood. And I literally thought I was going to fall down with my bag of groceries. She was going to run me over. But when I put my hand on the hood, I was saying stop. That's when she noticed. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. She wasn't paying attention. So
Okay.
Did she actually like hit you, or did she just kind of push you?
She like picked you up and like.
the car went forward.
Okay.
And then I kind of.
All right. So this is you.
Yeah.
This is the car. Did it hit you or did it?
Yeah, it went
Push you.
push you.
Push you.
Push me. Yeah, so I was walking in front of her.
And I'll be turn 7.
Okay.
There wasn't not enough space for her to hit me. She pushed me. I was walking in front of her car.
I understand.
The crosswalk, so I could get to my car. And she wasn't paying attention. She went forward.
Okay.
Didn't notice I was walking in front of the car. But what she was telling me, she wasn't paying attention.
Okay. And what are your injuries?
But
They just checked you out, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I really got scared. I thought I was gonna, just gonna fall down with my bag of groceries. I was worried about this leg. Right. The needy place.
But luckily nothing happened to you.
No, because I was
Okay.
holding my bag of groceries.
Okay.
Walking with this arm, holding the groceries. That's how I was able to.
All right. Do you have your ID with you, sir?
Yes.
Just to reiterate, we're gonna go watch the video, okay? She actually made contact with you other than you putting her hand on the hood.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, she made contact with
It's
me.
not an accident. She just got close to you and you just said, hey, and you slapped her hand on the hood.
She made contact with me, so I had to put my hand on the hook for her to stop going forward. That would have not stopped her, she would have ran me over.
All right. We're gonna go take a look at the video.
Good address.
Is the address current on this?
No.
No, it's not. Okay.
No.
What's your current address?
We'll head back with you just a minute.
Okay.
Is there a clear video?
I don't know, I haven't looked yet.
You should, it's right here.
All right. Just give me 1 second. We're gonna go take a look at the video and we'll be back.
All right.
Yes.
I'm gonna do the video. So if you need anybody else.
Seat secure.
They're advising ORMC 1414 fuel.
Alright, yeah. The infant's not going to be here, but I can check the adult.
And that guy came up literally to the side of her car.
Now, the officer breaks down fault in a way that's really educational. Pedestrian versus driver responsibilities aren't always intuitive. Even in a crosswalk, there are rules for safe crossing. The body cam review shows a pedestrian stepping in front of the vehicle at a critical moment, and the officer explains why the driver is not at fault. It's a clear example of law in action. Video evidence, witness testimony, and traffic rules come together to make a fair assessment. Audience engagement question. Have you ever been in a situation where timing and awareness made all the difference?
Side of her car,
Yeah, four.
and at the last second as she was going.
India 23, can you be 51 to when you call them to see if they're over there?
Mm-hmm.
451.
Really move so actually.
He said that the way he made it seemed like he was being dragged by the car.
Okay.
They're advising ORMC 1414 fuel.
Alright, yeah. The infant's not going to be here, but I can check the adult.
And that guy came up literally to the side of her car,
Yeah, four.
and at the last second as she was going.
India 23, can you be 51 to when you call them to see if they're over there?
Mm-hmm.
451.
Really move so actually.
He said that the way he made it seemed like he was being dragged by the car.
Okay. There's someone on the curb. We just so you're more safe. off the. I get paid if I get hit by a car. You don't get paid.
All right, ma'am. Here's your driver's license back, and I got your insurance. It's all in here. Okay, so here's that. All right, ma'am. This is gonna be a copy of the case number. Basically, that's where your report's gonna be. You're not at fault for this, okay? So
Here's a professional wrap-up. Nobody was injured, but the incident reinforces key safety lessons for both pedestrians and drivers. Even in a crosswalk, caution is critical, and officers meticulously document every step to ensure accountability and public safety. The pedestrian received a minor citation, but the video and officer notes protect both parties. This VO emphasizes procedural transparency and teaches viewers about how law enforcement manages seemingly chaotic incidents. Notice how the officer explains the ticket, online options, and steps to follow. That's de-escalation and clarity in action.
okay, so
Headquarters, any Spanish-speaking units that can
because it's not your fault that he came at you.
Cameras.
Cameras right here. We reviewed.
We know. We
No,
won't.
it's okay.
I told him I didn't hit him. He was nasty.
No, it's not that you didn't hit him.
I
It's that
hit him. I know why he did because I came out and I saw what he did.
Headquarters to Kilo
You
23.
bumped him, but it was his fault.
right, exactly. So what ends up happening is if I go right here and I go straight to this vehicle and then I cut and go right in front of it to use the crosswalk, I'm at fault.
I was telling the old man.
Does that make sense?
You're good.
So you're fine, okay? So nothing's gonna come up about this. We're still gonna do a report because if he wants to take this to court, we're gonna have the video surveillance and we're gonna have a report there showing what happened based on what we witnessed from the security footage.
Jan 4, keep from the lake on office.
We gotta do our part, okay? But they have very good video, okay? And we saw what happened, and you're fine. We saw you let the other person in front of you go, but he did cross, but he crossed right next to your car.
I know he said you weren't
Kilo 5298 Alpha.
Here you go, man.
Turn my head to let the old man go by and I said,
You're
go.
fine,
You're fine.
okay?
Here you go.
Thank you.
That's for you, okay?
Let your insurance company know, though, because
Just in case.
I'm not gonna lie, he's probably gonna try to take legal action,
He was looking at me.
but he's gonna try to take legal action, more than likely to try to sue. That's why you have insurance, but you're not found at fault. We're gonna put very good notes in there saying what we observed, and we have a copy of the video for evidence. Okay?
I was going to the bank to take money to pay my daughter's rent. I was moving and what I looked at.
Headquarters to any units in the
Sorry,
Conway area that could be
I know,
51 for
but-
Spanish.
But you're
All
not,
right,
you're
ma'am.
not found at fault.
Yeah,
Okay?
you're free to go.
Thank
Just
you.
don't interact with them.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
make
don't
any contact with them. Get in your
I
car.
said,
Just go.
sorry, can I call an ambulance? Because I was so scared. I never expected with my life.
So you're good. He's gonna find out what's gonna happen. He's
Yeah,
gonna get,
so
he's
we
gonna
want
get a ticket.
we want to make sure that you're gone before we start talking to him because he's not gonna be happy.
Kilo 63 X-ray.
So,
Thank you.
all right.
All right, dude, you're better, okay? Here you go. You're kind of fault. I would just go up to him. Yeah, do whatever. Just say, hey, I watched the video. Sorry.
Thank you. And right here, it's gonna be a copy of the report that we're gonna do. Okay. All right. That's gonna have the case number right there. We did have a chance to review the video. Based on the video, we do find you at fault for this. Okay. When you go out on the parking lot, you caught across the crosswalk, but you did so right before the vehicle, and then you caught right in front of it. So she wasn't able to see it. That's actually a pedestrian violation. Okay. So we are gonna give you a ticket for
Crystal
that.
clear on the video. They have cameras at every angle.
Right.
She's good. She let the person in the crosswalk ahead of her go. You were not in the crosswalk. You came up to the side of her car at her wheel well. You were like at her car and then just cut in front of her. There's no way she would have saw you.
But she wasn't paying attention when I
Doesn't
went in front
matter.
of the car.
You were not in the crosswalk. You were at her side and then you just cut in front of her. Like I said, it's crystal on that video.
Right.
It shows you, had you just waited an extra second or even taken like 5 steps forward to go in front of her.
I mean, even if you would have gone behind her, you would have been okay. Unfortunately, because you caught right at the middle of her vehicle,
Right.
I wouldn't have been able to see you. So You do have to take care of it within 30 days. It is a $62.50 ticket. Okay.
What?
$62.50.
Okay.
It's just a pedestrian violation. Okay. The instructions are in the back.
Online?
Yeah. Okay. You can do it online. You can do it over the phone, sir. You can go in person.
Okay.
It's up to you.
If you fight it, which is
Okay,
fine,
take a moment and think about what we just witnessed. A split-second incident that could have gone much worse, now fully documented and handled professionally. If you found this breakdown as intense and eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns. Each video shows the high stakes of everyday decisions, and this one proves just how important attention, timing, and clear police procedure really are.
it's fine. Just understand we will come and we will have to do that.
Got it.
So they will go off of the video.
Well, thank you for coming out.
All right. You have a great day, sir.
So, again, watch out. You cross here, then you can't be right on the wheel well of her car, and then just right.
Well, most importantly, no one got hurt. You know, so
Pretty scary though.
I'm sure it is, but you have to be a little more careful when, even though it's a crosswalk, you still have to be careful when you cross it, right? Okay. Alrighty.
Thank you.
You guys, anything?
Good?
Yeah.
No, we're good. Yeah, we're all set. Yeah.
Good?
All right.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate your
Yeah.
response.
Our pleasure.
And by the by, look what they just put up in my parking lot for y'all.
Is that one of those things? Oh, a parking spot. Yeah, I can know.
They just put it in today. I signed the paperwork.
And everybody keeps on parking in there. Customers in there.
Well, the lights aren't on yet. Eventually they'll figure it out.